I welcome you all to this presentation. So here we are going to answer this question on mensuration. The shaded part is the thickness of the cone. The internal volume is 34,650 centimeter cube. The internal base area is 3,850 centimeter squared. Take pi to be 3.142. So this is the diagram that has been drawn, not according to the scale that it was given. Okay, calculate the internal height h and the radius r for max. Given that the cone is 0.7 centimeter thick, calculate external volume of the cone. Okay, so here we've got this height. This is the height of the internal cone from here up to there. Then also have the radius this side. This is the radius, its radius. So now for us to calculate the value of h and the value of r, we need to know this formula because we have already been given the area and the volume. Okay, so to write the formula, we know when to talk of the base area of a cone, we need to understand that this is what it's a circle. So the area of a circle, it's a is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so this is the base area of the cone. This is the base area of the cone. Okay, yeah, so this is the formula that we use. Then the volume of this cone, the internal cone, we know it's the volume, it's V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, so now we have these two equations. So first thing, we have been given the pi here and the area of the base area. So here we can replace where there is a, we replace by what? This value. Okay, so we'll say it's the first one, we'll say it's 3,850 is equal to pi. We know when you talk of pi, okay, we just say pi squared. Okay, then having something like this here, pi, we have already been given pi, so we can divide throughout by pi, even this side by pi. There will go. So we have r squared is equal to, here it's 3,850 over 3.142. Then we can square this. We square both sides. So here our r is equal to, so now when you punch this on your calculator, the answer that you're going to get is 35.00 centimeter. Okay, so I've just round off. This is the figure that you are going to have. So this is our r. So having this as our r, and we have been given the volume here. So again, we're going to use this value to find the value of what? H. Okay, so allow me to use the other space, which is this one here. So remember, we are saying that the formula, the volume, we say V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, so having this, where there is V here, we replace what we have been given. The figure is 34,650 is equal to 1/3. Okay, and then pi, we know that is 3.142, then times our radius, it's 35 squared, then h. Okay, so computing this on the calculator. So once we compute this on the calculator, what we're going to have, it's, so I will write this again, which will be 3, 4, okay, 6, 5, 0 is equal to, once we do this, we are going to have 1282.98 h. Okay, once you compute this on the calculator and then you divide by 3, so this is what you are going to have, then over 12 to the both sides, 82.98, even this side 1282.98. so having this and this will cancel, our h here it will be 27.00, so we will round off to 1 centimeter. So this is the value of h. Okay, so therefore we've calculated the value of it. So our h is what, 27.01 centimeter. So this is the answer, which means we are done with the first question. Okay, now the second question says, given that the cone is 0.7 centimeter thick, calculate the external volume of the cone. So they want the external volume of the cone. So here what it means is, which means here this radius is going to be extended by 0.7. Then also the height here from here to there are going to extend this by 0.7. So here we put 0.7, even this side 0.7. So now writing the new dimensions. So here writing the new dimension, we'll say the new dimensions that we have. So for hala, we know that our hala here it's this one, which is 35. So it will be 35.00 plus 0.7. Okay, so this is our new dimension, which will be 35.7 centimeter. Okay, so this is what we have. Then again, our height is equal to our height, which is 27. So it is 27.01 plus 0.7. So this one, it will give us 27.71 centimeter. So this is what we have. So now, having these two values, to find the volume here, the new volume, it will be V is equal to, we say it's 1/3, then pi r squared h. Okay, this is what we have. So having this, we'll say here, we'll say where there is pi, we have already been given then it's just the new dimension that I've changed. So it's 1/3 times 3.142 times, here our R is 30, this one 35, it will be 35.7, okay, squared times 27.71. So placing this on our calculator, what you are going to have once you square this, so once you square, you write the square root of this. Here what you are going to have is something like, once you place this on the calculator, you are going to get something like this, which will be 11,0923 .197966 over 3. Then 3 into this, so 3 into this, you are going to have 3 here, then 6974.399 centimeter, okay, cube. So now writing the final answer to 1 decimal point or place, we are going to say 36,974 point. This one will round off what? 3, and then it will be 4. It will be 4 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is the new volume, which means once you increase the height and the radius, even the volume is going to be increased. Okay, so if here even the volume have increased from 34,000 to 36,000. Thank you.